you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anthony Ochuko. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Okay, and today I'm going to be telling you some things that you need to know regarding getting Dubai visa, the kind of document that you need, the process of getting your visa or whatsoever. Some people find it very difficult to secure Dubai visa. Come on, no, it is not that difficult. Dubai is one of the safest city in the world. It's a business hub. It's a tourist center whereby they give opportunity to everyone who wants to come and invest, who wants to come and have a nice time here in Dubai with themselves and their family. Dubai is a place where you want to start up your business, you want to grow your business, whatever you want to do. Dubai is a place that welcomes everyone with their crazy idea, maybe the most fascinating and craziest ideas ever that you think that can develop the nation. Why not? Dubai always welcome people. So that is why their visa is one of the fastest visa that you can get anywhere in the world. I'm telling you the truth. If you have people who have visited Dubai before, tell them how was it. The experience is very, very nice. Coming to Dubai, Dubai is a city you don't want to miss. Dubai is the place is so lovely. The people who lives in Dubai, the country is so welcoming. I'm talking about the United Arab Emirates that comprises of 7 emirates altogether. Dubai happens to be one of the most popular city in the United Arab Emirates and even in the Arab world today, Dubai. And in the world, so many people, they are flying all over everywhere to come and visit Dubai. So getting a Dubai visa, it is very, very easy. It is not as difficult as you may. So that's why so many people who are traveling, they want to travel to UK, to Canada or whatsoever, try to visit Dubai. At least add that to your travel experience, because Dubai is a place whereby you can get your visa very fast, very quickly. It is not that difficult to get a Dubai visa. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the step-by-step process of how you can apply for your Dubai visa and how you can source for the right agent to help you process your visa, how you can you can book your hotel apartment or get an accommodation for yourself, whether it is shared accommodation, furnished or furnished apartment for yourself while you stay in Dubai in the period that you want to stay. Now basically, there are different types of visas in Dubai, right? There are different types of visas in Dubai. One of them is the tourist visa or the visit visa, which comprises of either 14 days, 30 days, 90 days. Now, if you are coming for a short stay, you can choose 14 days. If you are coming for a longer stay, probably 30 days will be fine by you, right? But if you are coming to like a much longer stay, maybe you want to go for the 90 days visa. Most people who comes here to look for a job or to get a job, to find a better opportunity, they go for the 90 days of visa. The visa price is different. It ranges from different nationality. Okay, so yeah, so that is how. So you cannot actually base the price of one nationality to the other. So in most cases, the Asian nationality, their visa are kind of very, very cheap compared to African nationalities. And some European countries is visa free or visa on arrival. America, UK, Canada, and the rest of them, provided you are having this country passport. You come, all you just need to do is book your ticket and come down. That you get your visa on arrival or it is visa free, and that is it. So another kind of visa that you need again is what is called the employment visa. Employment visa, that means you need a sponsor. Someone has to employ you for you to offer your services to them, so you become their employee, right? So in this case, they are going to process an employment visa for you, which is the work permit. The work permit is just it's just for the duration of 60 days that we help the company to process a resident permit for you. Resident permit, either 2 years or 3 years, depending on the company that you are working. Most of the semi-government company and the government companies or the free zone company, their resident visa is normally 3 years visa that you are going to work with them, and it is renewable as well. Same thing applies to the private establishment, which is 2 years visa. Okay, so that is for another type of visa, the employment visa, which eventually will not lead to a resident visa, either 3 years or 2 years. So you need to know that. Another visa again is what they call the freelance visa. Now the freelance visa is majorly for professional photographers, videographer, tailors. Think of maybe website designer, what kind of services that you can offer without you having an office space. So these are freelance visa. All you have to do, first of all, you're going to apply for your freelance permit. Once you get your freelance permit, then you can go for the freelance visa, so you can offer your services anywhere. You can work for any government, anybody in the UAE, anywhere, okay, in Dubai, either in Dubai or in Abu Dhabi or Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, whatever place you want to offer your services. As soon as you get your freelance permit, then you get your freelance visa. Then from there you can offer your services to anywhere in Dubai or in United Arab Emirates. And this is how it works. Now the price, again, it varies from company to company, how you're going to get the freelance a permit. They are going to help you to apply. So the processes, you're going to follow it, and at the end of the day you might end up paying some couple of dirhams. Maybe for the freelance permit it might cost you like 4,000 to 5,000 dirhams or even more, but it's not more than 6,000 dirhams. Then you have to go for your visa, which will cost about like 10,000 dirhams, which everything is going almost like 15 to 16,000 dirhams. By then you can start doing your business with anyone in Dubai without you even needing an NOC. All you just need to do is you offer your services to whoever needs your services, right? There are other ones that is called the investors visa. The investors visa is that you want to have your own company here in the UAE. You have your own company here in the UAE. So with this visa, you'll be able to employ other people to work for you. So they are investors of visa. Okay, as a result of it, you can bring 1 or 2 people to join you to get this visa, which is referred to as the partnership. Okay, with this you can set up your company and have your own visa for yourself, and you start running your business in the United Arab Emirates after fulfilling all the documentation, the requirements that is needed in order for you to set up your business here in the United Arab Emirates. Then the last one, which I'm going to talk about, is referred to as the golden visa. Now the golden visa is also a new visa, which this one is 10 years visa that have just been introduced by the UAE government. And these are the people who have actually contributed a lot. Either you are in the sports sector, you are in the government sector, you are in health sector, school, or whatsoever. You have stayed here for a very long time and you have contributed to the economy, technology, and the growth, health of this country. Why not? You are eligible to get this golden visa. So it's not for everyone. It's for some specific set of people, and for, should I call golden citizens. I can refer to them as they are golden citizens because of their outstanding contributions which they have made. Another visa I can still talk about again is the student visa. The student visa is particularly made for potential candidates or people who want to come to Dubai, United Arab Emirates, to study. Okay, so basically what you normally do is that you search for the school that you want to study here in Dubai. You place your application. As soon as the application is granted, that school will be responsible to process your visa. In as much as you've paid your tuition fee and the rest of them, they will process your visa for you so that you can come. Very, very easy, provided you have your money. Come on, Dubai is all about the money. It's all about the money. You have your money, come here to invest. You have your money, come here to enjoy yourself. You have your money, come and visit the city. Come and spend your money. You want to invest the money? Why not? This is what Dubai is all about, right? And another thing I want to just chip in, while you are in Dubai, things can be really, really very, very expensive. Everything about Dubai is spending money. Nothing is free. Nothing ever is free. From your transportation, from everything, you have to spend, so you know how to manage your expenses. Now, how do you apply for your Dubai visa by yourself? You can simply want to do it by yourself, but it might take you at least some really difficult time in trying to do that. First, you want to go to UAE embassy right in your country, wherever you are in the world. You go there and apply. You might apply for it and they might deny you. The reason, because they want someone to be accountable for you, for your whereabouts when you come to this country. So that's why they have travel agencies here in Dubai. So my better option is that you go for travel agency, because if you go to their embassy back home in your country, you might not be able to get this visa. But that, you can do it by yourself. Then you can use a third party. Third party means you have to go through travel agencies, which I will put their website, their link in this video description, so you can go there. Their phone number, you can contact them. I have two most trusted travel agency that I work with, which you can contact them and they will give you process your visa. As soon as you make payment, to process your visa within 48 hours, your visa will be released to you. Whether you are coming for a long stay or for a short stay, they will arrange your hotel, your accommodation, everything, even advising you. If you're coming for a job, they give you the best possible advice how to tackle your stay here in Dubai. What possible method, one, the way, the place where you can live, place where you can have fun, they're going to advise you. Go to UAE embassy in your country to apply for it. It's fine, but it might take some time or probably it gets rejected. Again, I would advise you go for a third party to help you, which is the travel agency here in Dubai, which I'm going to link it in this video. If you want to go and start sourcing for travel agency by yourself, now you're really going to dig deep. You need to ask them questions, so certain question. Okay, first of all, how do I get my visa? How much is the visa? How much does it cost? Do I have to pay the total expense? Do I have to pay the total amount of the money for my visa? What do I need to do? What are the documentation? What are the travel requirements? So all of this they need to tell you so that you'll be able to prepare yourself, and you need to review their website. You need to see what their track record. When was the last time they processed visa? When was it? What are they be doing in the last? What are people saying about them? If you've actually have you heard about them? You ask, you're gonna ask around, check, go to their Facebook page or probably their website and check them out, and dig on your own, and before you can start starting the visa process with them. But I will recommend these two which I put on the link. You can chat them up or you can reach out to me. I can help you do that because this is what I do as well. Okay, how do you identify either this person is a real agent or a fake agent? The real agent, they give you every of the information. They are not after your money. First of all, they give you all the information that you needed to know. They tell you this is what to do, this is what to do, this is what to do. Then before they start telling, it is you who then come and said, okay, how much does it cost for this visa? Then they tell you, okay, this is the amount for the visa and this is how it works. So the fake agent, all they need from me is your money. They just want, do this one, do this. They're going to give you some kind of fancy promises. Like, for example, those people who are coming to Dubai to look for a job, they're going to tell you that as soon as you get to Dubai, you're going to be earning like $5,000 every month. There's this company, you're going to be a manager, you're going to do that, you're going to that, you're going to give you all those kind of promises and everything. It is not always like that. Coming to Dubai is a place of competition. Okay, it's a place of competition. One job is available, hundreds of people are fighting for it. So that is how difficult it is. But the overall is a place to live. You're going to enjoy it with your family. I'm enjoying it here with my family. It's super awesome, trust me. And I'm feeling it. You get what I'm saying? So that is it. So this is Dubai for you. So fake agents are going to give you some fancy promises, fake promises, telling you this is what they do, this is what they can do for you, this is what they can do for you. At the end of the day, you give them your money. It's either they scam you, they don't do the visa for you, or if they do the visa for you, they abandon you along the way, especially those people who have not traveled before, those people who who come in here for the first time. They want to come and look for a job, they abandon them, and this is the area where these companies that I'm putting their link here, they're going to support you to arrange for your accommodation and the rest of them. And this is what I do for anyone which I recommend, which comes through me, that said, okay, he wants to come to Dubai to settle down, just the way I started, right? So that's it. So get it. The fake agents, they are into your money, all about, they give you fake promises. And the real agent, they advise you, they tell you the real truth. They tell you that this is how Dubai is, this is what you need to do, because if your visa expire after 30 days, if you have 30 days visa, your visa expire after 30 days, you're going to start paying fine. They might not tell you, the fake agent will not tell you all of this, but the real agent will tell you. So they're going to give you the option. You need to know what you are doing before you start processing your visa. Okay, so this is where booking for your hotel or for your accommodation, you are coming here, you're going to need cash, right? So you need to have a lot of cash to come with you, because either you book hotel, make a hotel reservation, or you're going to have to stay in shared apartment with other people. If you have too much money, you have your luxury furnished apartment, you want to live by yourself, it's totally fine by you. we can advise you on how you're going to do on all of these things. Okay, you can contact me. I put my number, my WhatsApp number on the description. Get in touch with me. I'll advise you on how to go with this entire process. I'm making this video, I'm not scamming anyone, I'm just telling you the real truth. Those who have been scammed before, they will tell you that this video I'm making, it is the real truth and nothing but the truth. I'll tell you, accommodation here for those people who are coming to look for a job, especially from people from Africa who are coming to look for a job, you know, they want to start their career, to start from somewhere. Come on, don't expect fancy accommodation for the amount of money you're going to be paying. It's a shared accommodation, which refers to a bed space, the bunk bed. You've seen it, probably the one you use back home in your school hostel or your university days. This is how it is. The bunk bed is not as fancy as even the one you have back in your school days. Okay, where you have about 6-7 people inside one room. More than that, you know, it's kind of chaos. You're going to be uncomfortable for it, so you have to be mentally prepared, know the kind of people you're going to be meeting at the end of the day. However, I'm not saying that they are not fancy places or beautiful accommodation. Of course, it is your money. You have that money. The thing is that everything is available for everyone who is coming to Dubai. Whether you are a low spender or you are a high spender, why not? It's there, provided you have your money. Right now, when it comes to steps to landing a job, I'm going to do a video as regarding to that. This one that I just did is just for the, you know, how to get your visa to Dubai, the prospect of you kind to differentiate between the real agent and the fake agent. In this video is for you. If you like this video and you like the content of this video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your loved ones, with everyone that needs to know, to get this information. Share this video with them, and as you're doing that, you are supporting me. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Anthony Ochuko. See you on my next video. Hand salute.